Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Miata lifter tick. First, let's understand that this common noise often comes from hydraulic lash adjusters, or HLA, that aren't getting enough oil. This can be due to sludge buildup or incorrect oil. We'll cover simple steps to diagnose and resolve this, helping your Miata run more smoothly and quietly. Let's get started on quieting that engine. A great first step is to check your oil level. Low oil can cause ticking. If it's low, top it off. Next, consider an oil change using a high-quality, high-detergent oil like Shell Rotella T65W40. Many Miata owners find this helps clean out the lifters. You can also add an engine flush product, such as Seafoam, to your old oil before changing it, following the product's instructions carefully. If a simple oil change doesn't resolve the tick, a more thorough engine flush might be needed. You can use a specialized engine flush product or a mixture of 3 quarts of automatic transmission fluid and 1 quart of 20W50 oil. Run the engine at idle for about 2 hours, then drain and replace with fresh oil and a new filter. Also, check for exhaust leaks, as they can sound surprisingly similar to lifter tick. To prevent lifter tick from returning, consistent maintenance is key. Always use a high-quality oil and filter, changing them regularly, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Keeping your oil at the correct level is crucial for proper HLA function. Remember, a well-maintained engine is a happy engine. For more great deals and product recommendations, including those darn tough socks, be sure to check the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.